Conversation 1. Interview. Good morning, and thank you for coming in today.
Good morning. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
We've reviewed your resume and are impressed with your industry experience.
I appreciate that, and I have worked hard to refine my skills over the past few years.
Can you tell me more about how your previous role has prepared you for this position?
In my last job, I managed multiple projects and collaborated closely with diverse teams, which greatly enhanced my leadership and problem-solving abilities.
That's excellent to hear, as teamwork and initiative are highly valued in our company.
I am eager to contribute to your team and learn from the talented professionals here.
Your proactive attitude and achievements really set you apart from other candidates.
I believe that continuous learning and dedication are key to overcoming any challenge.
How do you typically handle high-pressure situations at work?
I stay calm, assess the situation carefully, and work collaboratively with my colleagues to develop effective solutions.
That approach is perfectly in line with our company culture.
I am confident that my experience and mindset will add value to your organization.
We're very impressed with your performance in today's interview.
Thank you. I truly appreciate your positive feedback.
I'm pleased to inform you that we would like to offer you the position.
That's fantastic news. I am thrilled to accept the offer.
We will send you the details regarding your start date and the onboarding process shortly.
Thank you once again, and I look forward to contributing to the team.
Conversation 2. Bargaining.
Hi, I'm interested in that antique vase on the shelf.
Certainly, it's one of our prized items with a unique history.
I noticed a small chip near the base. Does that affect its value?
The chip is minor and has been noted, but the vase still retains its charm.
Given the chip, would you consider reducing the price slightly?
I'm willing to discuss a small discount for a serious buyer.
I was thinking about a 20% discount, considering the imperfection.
20% is a bit steep, but I could offer you a 10% reduction.
Could we possibly meet halfway at a 15% discount?
Let me review the numbers. This vase is rare, so margins are tight.
I understand rarity commands a premium, but my budget is limited.
I appreciate your honesty, and I do value your interest.
If we agree on 15%, would you include complimentary shipping?
Complimentary shipping can be arranged if you choose immediate payment.
I can make an immediate payment in cash then.
Excellent, I will adjust the price accordingly and include shipping.
That sounds like a fair deal, thank you.
You're welcome. I'm glad we could come to an agreement.
I'll complete the purchase right now.
Thank you for your business, and enjoy your new antique vase.
Conversation 3. Health.
Hello, doctor. Thank you for seeing me today.
Of course, please have a seat and tell me what brings you here.
I have been suffering from persistent headaches and fatigue for several months now.
I understand. Have you experienced any other symptoms along with these issues?
Yes, I often feel dizzy and sometimes even nauseous.
Do these symptoms interfere with your daily activities significantly?
Absolutely, I struggle to concentrate at work and even simple tasks feel overwhelming.
We will need to conduct a few tests to better understand the root of your symptoms.
I really hope we can find a cause because this has been affecting my quality of life.
Rest assured, we will review your medical history and run the necessary diagnostic examinations.
Thank you, doctor. I appreciate your thorough approach and reassurance.
It's important that we also monitor any changes or triggers in your symptoms during this period.
I have tried over-the-counter medications, but they only provide temporary relief.
This suggests that we may need a more personalized treatment plan for you.
I would be very grateful for a long-term solution to help me feel better.
In the meantime, I recommend keeping a daily symptom diary and maintaining a healthy lifestyle.
I can start tracking my symptoms and note any possible triggers right away.
Excellent. That information will be very useful in guiding our treatment decisions.
I trust your expertise, and I am hopeful that we can manage my condition effectively.
Together, we will work on finding the best strategy to treat and manage your illness. Conversation 4. Regret.
I'm really sorry for the way I let my anger control me earlier.
Thank you for apologizing. I know it wasn't easy.
I feel deeply regretful about the harsh words I said in the heat of the moment.
It did hurt me, but I understand that anger sometimes takes over.
I've been reflecting on my behavior, and I'm ashamed of how I acted.
Acknowledging your mistake is the first step toward making things right.
I promise to work on controlling my temper and communicating more calmly.
I appreciate your commitment to change.
I know my outburst was unnecessary and caused you pain.
I accept your apology, and I hope we can move forward from this.
I truly regret my actions and the impact they had on our relationship.
I believe every mistake is an opportunity to learn and grow.
I'm determined to understand the root of my anger so it doesn't hurt us again.
Your willingness to improve shows a lot of maturity.
Please forgive me for my uncontrolled behavior.
I forgive you, and I appreciate your sincerity.
Thank you for giving me the chance to make amends.
Let's work together to ensure that moments like this become a thing of the past.
I'm committed to a calmer, more understanding approach in the future.
I'm glad we can move forward with forgiveness and build a stronger bond.
Conversation 5. Direction. Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to Washington, D.C.?
Sure. Where are you coming from?
I'm starting from Alexandria.
In that case, take I-395 North to merge onto I-95 North towards Washington, D.C.
Is it a direct route or are there any tricky parts one should watch out for?
It's mostly direct, but be aware of heavy traffic around downtown areas during rush hour.
I see. Do you know how long the trip might take under normal conditions?
Typically, it takes about 30 to 45 minutes if the traffic is light.
Thank you for your clear directions, I really appreciate it.
You're welcome, and have a safe trip to Washington, D.C.
Please subscribe, like, share, and comment, and see you in the next video. Thank you.